即係喺嗰度即係化妝我覺得 OK， 即係嗰個 bell tower， 呢個大呢個門口咧嘅右手邊有間房，咁咪會開嘅。
係咯，就係講緊。
咁你放喺呢度，就喺嗰邊開啦。咁咧，爹哋會咁樣箍住嘅。咁慢慢。
咁嗰啲花仔花女咧？
去前邊，花仔花女前邊。
咁就會音樂起啦，係咪？
音樂你跟 CD？No
no no， 會有個 pianist， 佢彈 organ。
中間
嘅。
中間㗎。咁佢見到你入嚟嗰陣時咧，
咁就 signal 佢 OK， 咁就起音樂。
你個 first announcement you make it， 你要話俾佢聽，佢哋到咗啦。
OK。
就快有儀式啦，所以請大家識咗冇把鋪啦啲。有咗對咗唔識講你咁啊，你爹哋成日啦，咁你照翻個 music 咁行。有啲人好話 official 個，啲 up to you 啦，你自己點行。咁兩個花仔，我花仔翻去行先啦，中間。
bridesmaid 都係先。
bridesmaid 係花仔翻去先 bridesmaid 喺你呢度。
係。跟住就我啦。
咁你有花球？有冇 gloves？
冇。
有 gloves。好啦，咁你嚟到呢度咧，最簡單嘅儀式咧，我哋呢種神啊，都係上嚟啦。before 咧，到咗呢度先。before 咧要講埋戒指先。戒指有兩個方法。第一個方法咧就將佢俾花仔。咁佢會交俾。
要行。伴郎。伴郎。
or else 你俾一個 cushion 俾佢。咁嗰個戒指就已經喺伴郎嗰度啦。
OK。
擺到位。咁個戒指之後先處理。但係如果佢俾個花仔，我會 make sure 佢會俾伴郎。你要 make sure。咁你爹哋將你嗰隻手就交俾 Joanne， 佢過嚟啊。好啦，咁你哋兩個扶著手啦。咁爹哋你自己咁如果佢唔坐啦，你叫佢坐或者叫手。咁嚟呢度咧。咁啊轉手。OK。咁你係咪嗰個 train 係好長？
唔係好長。
少少咯，都要少少人幫手嘅其實。
OK， 咁你嗰個花球咧，就嗰度已經俾咗
爹哋
伴娘啦。
伴娘 OK。
OK。咁你就咁咧，我就諗住要坐出邊嗰個啦。呢個就假設咗兩個，呢個。咁佢幫你整好你嘅衫。
伴娘。
伴娘。
OK， 佢可以上嚟嘅。
可以。
可以 OK。
咁咧之後就開始啦。開始嘅 ceremony 就係嗰個49頁，好快嘅啫。49頁咧就呢度啦，咁呢啲就冇嘢啦，冇改咗45頁水。咁呢度咧就直到呢度冇改咗，46頁都冇改。呢個咧我想改後邊嗰隻段。你爹哋實鬧我哋講嘅話嚟。乜講？因為你教啲粗口俾我聽，我冇教我當你嚟㗎嘛。咁啊先。所以因為佢呢度咧就會嗰個好 nice 嗰個 passage 嘅。佢咧就會話你係我骨中之骨，中之肉 ，very nice 呢個。
哦，即係加呢個54嘅。
係，即係我會叫佢，我呢個我講啦。
OK。
到時讀經咧，reader 係邊個
？reader 會係我七嬸，如果係中文定英文？英文就會七嬸。
你話咯。
我冇所謂，中文就七嬸。
中文係呢個。
Train reader.
Okay, good. Anyway, this one, you tell us. We will. What I'll do afterwards, I'm going to have tea with us, and then we're going to come back with the yin and stuff. Okay. And then or maybe even before we have tea. Okay. So then you read it. 你哋兩個啦。最簡單咧，你兩個全部 ceremony 企，你冇理他人本身做執嘅啫。咁因為我哋最耐咧都話40分鐘，你40分鐘，通常30幾分鐘完啦。如果你準時到咧，咁咧就會even if you 5 minutes late doesn't matter，因為你又冇跑馬又冇塞車，所以到咗之後咧，你去嗰間房freshen up，之後就上嚟啦。咁我哋即刻有個 ceremony。之後個 ceremony 咧就你預咗佢。你諗住幾點鐘到啊？10點
半啦，希望。
即係你今幾點嚟到？10點半咯。
10點半係。咁你11點鐘開始係咪？係。咁你又已經會喺度。First thing 咧，我會同你 check 翻啲名。你打咗啲名咧， 就我會同 check OK， 咁我哋已經係到讀經啦，讀經所有人坐低，除咗你之外，你兩個之外，
我哋參與企喺度。
其實都 move。咁咧就咁之後讀經咧就翻返去40幾頁嗰度，讀就答唱詠啦，就呢個。之後咧就我會讀呢個好短嘅福音。之後就呢個啦。嗱，the only problem here， 你點叫都好，你叫做 Yohan 或者咩都得 ，whatever you like。問題咧就係呢度就係我會問你好甩級嘅，你是否自願與邊個？點解自願好 ？Actually 人哋以為有甩級 ，in fact it's quite interesting。所以你係咪自己願意 ？That's what I mean。到你 anyway，whatever you like 就答少。你話我自願啦 ，OK？ 但係 the main thing is 你哋兩個要對嘅，你要話是咯，或 yes 或好或 whatever，
一樣
要一樣。咁你要話 OK 對我係 whatever 自願。Then here 一樣啦 ，OK？ 之後咧就呢度我們，either 我們同我哋，要 decide。All right， 統一。Now this prayer you two should learn by heart, and this 字咧，you must ask your dad how to 拼，知唔知拼？監啦。That's right, because I've heard about 10 different pronunciations of that, so say 監 ，OK？ So that's all right. That's so you should try and 背熟呢個。
係咯，我
So
都
I'll take a copy of that. 背熟呢個。之後咧我就同伴郎就講嗰啲戒字係要帶上嚟。There's no particular way 佢俾咗我咁講咗佢。之後咧你就 if you're wearing gloves, you're not wearing gloves 就唔使講啦。If you're wearing gloves, so you remove your gloves and so on。而家你話即係將叫中文名又得，英文名又得，咁你同佢帶咗，咁先就唔帶。OK？ 之後咧就我會有少少降福，之後你同揭沙，揭沙最緊要咧男仔唔識揭沙嘅。So the main thing is do it slowly。之後咧伴郎就會do it properly。OK， that's it。咁之後就上咗禱文啦。上咗禱文完咗。You two are going to say anything at any time at the mass or at the ceremony？
有咩講啊？
冇就冇啦。OK，都間粗諗兩樣。咁之後天主經啦，天主經係龍年降福。Now you can actually kneel for that or stand for that, but I think either way， 你哋自己定，到時你想 kneel 就 kneel。It's either stand or kneel， 你都唔好坐，because 坐就最麻煩。所以 decide stand。咁我會話咧，而家就有龍年降福 ，then I will bless the two of you，and then that's the end，and then you sign here。And signing in St. Teresa's 咧就應該喺嗰度，係嗰度 exact 有間有張台。OK， 嗰張台咧就咁嘅。咁你坐呢邊咧，咁因為係坐呢邊 ，because you don't want the skirt to be。咁你爹哋your whoever signs to you is the same side as you。如果係爹哋媽咪，咁如果係呢度，咁你個朋友 whoever signs to you 咧，咁我坐你對面 ，OK？ 咁啊有一個 A4 紙嚟 ，A4 紙咧就會係呢度下邊有幾行啦。So the first thing 簽名嗰啲咧 have to bring the ID card， 唔係我唔使睇嘅，因為佢簽名嗰度咧，我 make sure 咧佢個簽名同埋嗰度寫嗰樣嘢就係對嘅。
喺個 table 嗰陣時俾你睇個 ID card。
係咪啊
？Even before it's okay，just to make sure。可能咧教堂已經幫佢打咗啦，because normally 咧，如果你係爹哋簽咧就佢照翻，因為你嗰個 marriage certificate 有爹哋嘅名咁嘛，你嘅名嘅。如果佢哋簽就唔使咁多字，because佢可以 refer to top。但如果朋友或者另外doesn't occur on the certificate 嗰啲人咧，咁佢要 print 或者寫大錯，正楷。Then 你哋唔使 ，because 你哋講 obvious 係你兩結婚。So 如果係人簽先，到尾咁你嘅證人呢個證人 ，OK？Then 我簽，我簽個副本先 ，because you can make a mistake on the 副本，then I give you the 正本。Who gets the 正本 ？You want me to give it to you, to 伴郎，or to you？ 即刻俾你，咁得啦。咁你哋兩個行出嚟。咁咧normally 你可以影大概5幅相 inside the church，and then the rest is outside。
OK。